Hello dear learning, welcome back to the Zoom Chemistry app. Today in this video we will learn the naming of coordination compound. So we have a coordination compound. First we will learn constituents or their parts. So here this is the coordination sphere. The whole bracket, this is called the coordination sphere, and this is the central metal atom. Here is the ligand which donate the electron. Here is the coordination number, and this is the ionization sphere out of the bracket. This is the coordination sphere. Now we have a trick or rule for naming the coordination compound, that is PLMN. That is P stand for right positive ions, then we will write ligands, and we will write the ligands mono, di, tri, and so on. Similarly, next we will write the metal atom, and at the last we will write negative atom or negative ions. So this is the rule, or this is the trick by which we write, or we give the naming to the coordination compound. So we have a compound, we will write its name. That is, first we will write the ligands, because this is the negative ion, that is the sulfate is the negative ion, and this is the positive part. This whole coordination sphere is the positive part, and we will first write the positive part, and in the positive part we will write ligands. That is, its coordination number is 4, so we write tetra. Amine, then we write metal atom, copper, and its oxidation state is +2. We write in Romans +2, copper 2, and here is the negative part, and at the last we will write the negative part. That is, here the negative part is the sulfate, and we write sulfate. Tetra mean copper 2, sulfate. So its name is tetraamine copper copper 2 sulfate. So this is the name of this coordination compound, tetraamine copper 2 sulfate. That's for all today, the learner. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends and fellows. Thanks for watching.